In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively set up and customize a container layout using a few simple steps. Whether you're new to this or just looking to refine your skills, I'll guide you through the process with clarity and detail, ensuring you feel confident in applying these techniques to your projects. Let's start by focusing on our layout foundation. Begin by clicking the plus icon, which you'll find within your project interface. From here, select the container option. Once you're in, choose a single-column container layout. This will serve as the primary structure for organizing your content and enhancing the visual flow of your project. Next, let's dive into the Layout tab, where you'll set the direction of your container to row. This horizontal layout is ideal for creating a sleek, orderly appearance, perfect for presenting content side by side. With this direction set, you'll want to align your items. A good default is to center them. Centering not only looks aesthetically pleasing, but also ensures your content is easily consumed by your audience. Now, on to sizing. You'll need to set the content height, and a good practice is to use viewport units. For a balanced view that occupies a significant portion of the screen, setting the min height to about 60 VH is a great choice. This provides a good visual command without overwhelming the user with too much content at once. Moving forward, let's explore how to create multiple columns within your layout. To achieve this, you'll start by adding child containers inside your already established parent container. Each child container can hold different pieces of content, allowing for a structured, grid-like appearance. When organizing these child containers, you have the flexibility to set their widths to specific measurements, for instance, 50% or 33%, based on your desired number of columns. Alternatively, you can let them flex automatically, which allows for a more dynamic and adaptable layout depending on the content being displayed. Now that your containers are set, it's time to bring them to life by adding widgets to each child container. Consider incorporating various elements such as headings, icons, text, and buttons. These components will not only enrich your design, but also enhance usability and interaction. Be mindful to choose widgets that complement one another and fulfill the needs of your audience. Finally, a crucial aspect of honing your design is to adjust styling and spacing. For this, you can turn to the Style and Advanced tabs. Carefully tweak the settings to achieve the desired aesthetic and ensure that content is approachable and visually harmonious. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating an impressive and functional container layout. Remember, practice makes perfect, so go ahead, experiment with these settings, and discover the potential of your creative project. Happy designing!